Dear students, welcome to the Principles of Human Resource Management course. In this video, we will talk about Chapter 6, Training and Developing Employees. Lesson 8, Improving Performance, HR Tools for Line Managers and Small Businesses. By the end of this video, you will be able to 1. Create your own training program. Improving Performance, HR Tools for Line Managers and Small Businesses. Creating your own training program. While it would be nice if supervisors in even the largest firms could expect their firms to provide packaged training programs to train the new people they hire, many times they cannot. However, you still have many options. Create your own 5-step training program. Remember ADDIE. Analyze. Is training the problem? Design, including learning objectives and motivating the trainee. Develop. What specific materials and methods will we use? Implement, train the person, and evaluate. For many types of jobs, start by setting training objectives. Be specific about what your employee should be able to do after training. Write a job description. List of the job's duties, if not already available. Write a task analysis record form showing the steps in each of the employee's tasks. Write a job instruction training form. Here list a key point, such as carefully read scale, for each step, such as sec cutting distance. Finally, compile the objectives, job description, task analysis form, and job instruction form in a training manual. Also, include an introduction to the job and an explanation of how the job relates to other jobs in the company. Use private vendors. The small business owner can tap hundreds of suppliers of packaged training solutions. These range from self-study programs from the American Management Association, www.amanet.org, and SHARM, www.sharm.org, to specialized programs. For example, the employer might arrange with Pure Safety to have its employees take occupational safety courses from www.puresafety.com. Skillsoft is another example. Go to http://skillsoft.com and click Products. The small business owner can tap hundreds of suppliers of packaged training solutions. These range from self-study program from the American Management Association, www.amanet.org, and SHARM, www.sharm.org, to specialized programs. For example, the employer might arrange with Pure Safety to have its employees take occupational safety courses from www.puresafety.com. Skillsoft is another example. Go to http://skillsoft.com and click Products. Check the SBA. The Government Small Business Administration. See www.sba.gov/training provides a virtual campus that offers online courses, workshops, publications, and learning tools aimed at supporting small businesses. Check NAM. The National Association of Manufacturers, NAM, is the largest industrial trade organization in the United States. It represents about 14,000 member manufacturers, including 10,000 small and mid-sized companies. Manufacturing Institute. NAM helps employees maintain and upgrade their work skills and continue their professional development. It offers courses and skills certification process. There are no long-term contracts to sign. Employers simply pay about $10 to $30 per course taken by each employee. The catalog includes OSHA, quality and technical training, as well as courses in areas like customer service. Talk about it. Discussion. What would you tell the owner of a small restaurant whose employees haven't been trained properly to do? Evaluate the training effort. There are two basic issues to address when evaluating training programs. One is the design of the evaluation study and, in particular, whether to use controlled experimentation. The second is, what should we measure? Designing the study. Controlled experimentation. Training effects to measure. 1. Reaction. 2. Learning. 3. Behavior. 4. Results. Designing the study. In deciding how to design the evaluation study, the basic concern is this: how can we be sure that the training caused the results that we're trying to measure? The time series design is one option. Controlled experimentation is therefore the gold standard. A controlled experiment uses a training group and a control group that receives no training. Data, for instance, on quantity of sales or quality of service, are obtained both before and after one group is exposed to training and before and after a corresponding period in the control group. This makes it easier to determine the extent to which any change in the training group's performance resulted from the training, rather than from some organization-wide change like a raise in pay. Training effects to measure. The manager can measure 4 basic categories of training outcomes or effects. 1. Reaction. 2. Learning. 3. Behavior. 4. Results. 1. Reaction. Evaluate trainees' reactions to the program. Did they like the program? Did they think it is worthwhile? 2. Learning. Test the trainees to determine whether they learned the principles, skills, and facts they were supposed to learn. 3. Behavior. Ask whether the trainees' on-the-job behavior changed because of the training program. For example, are the employees in the store's compliance department more courteous toward disgruntled customers? 4. Results. Most important, ask, what results did we achieve in terms of training objectives previously set? For example, did the number of customer complaints diminish? Reactions, learning, and behavior are important. But if the training program doesn't produce measurable performance-related results, then it probably hasn't achieved its goals. In this video, we have talked about creating your own training program.